When it comes to scaling content with AI, you've probably heard of Writesonic and Jarvis, two of the most talked about tools in the space. But which one actually delivers when it comes to speed, quality, and ease of use? In this video, we'll dive into both of these tools and compare them based on their performance, features, and value for content scaling. First off, both Writesonic and Jarvis are AI-powered content creation tools, but they each approach things a little differently. Writesonic claims to offer a more intuitive interface and a wider range of templates, while Jarvis, formerly known as Conversion AI, is more known for its strong copywriting features and long-form content capabilities. But does that make Jarvis the clear winner? Let's break it down. Next thing, one key factor to consider is the user interface. Writesonic shines in this department. It's super easy to navigate, even for beginners. Its dashboard feels more streamlined, and you can quickly find what you're looking for, whether you're creating blog posts, social media content, or even emails. Jarvis, on the other hand, has a slightly steeper learning curve. The interface is packed with options and customization features, which can be overwhelming if you're just starting out. It has a lot of power, but it requires time to learn. Now, let's talk about speed. Writesonic definitely has an edge here. It's faster at generating content, which can be a game changer when you're trying to scale quickly. Jarvis is fast too, but the time it takes to generate a lengthy blog post or long-form content can be a bit longer compared to Writesonic's streamlined process. If speed is your priority, Writesonic may be your go-to option. The next thing to consider is quality. Both tools produce quality content, but the nuance lies in the types of content each tool excels at. Jarvis is a powerhouse when it comes to long-form writing. If you're creating in-depth articles or ebooks, Jarvis does a fantastic job of maintaining tone, structure, and flow over longer stretches of text. Writesonic, while good at short-form content, like ads and blog intros, doesn't have the same level of control over long-form copy, so it's not ideal for content that requires deep, thoughtful research. Then, there's pricing. Writesonic is relatively cheaper than Jarvis, especially if you're looking at the mid-tier options. Writesonic's plans give you more bang for your buck if you need bulk content without breaking the bank. Jarvis, though more expensive, justifies the price with its powerful features, particularly for long-form content creators. Next thing to think about is customization. While both tools allow you to fine-tune the content to some extent, Jarvis allows more control, especially with its boss mode, which is designed for experienced content creators looking to do more than just churn out basic copy. Writesonic, on the other hand, keeps it simpler, which might be a benefit if you don't need to customize every little detail. The fourth thing is integrations. Jarvis offers more integrations with other platforms, making it a better choice if you're using multiple tools in your workflow. Writesonic is more limited in that department, but if you're just looking for a tool to create content without needing it to sync up with other platforms, this won't be a deal breaker. So, which AI tool is better for content scaling? Both Writesonic and Jarvis have their strengths and weaknesses, but after trying them both, it's clear that if you're looking for something with a simpler interface, faster content generation, and a more affordable price point, Writesonic is a strong contender. However, if you need a tool for more in-depth, long-form content and are willing to invest in the higher price, Jarvis is your tool. The softwares mentioned in this video are good, but after trying all of them myself, I recommend giving Writesonic a shot if content scaling is your main goal. You can take advantage of the free trial by clicking the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.